Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty for tomorrow and what kind of trade setup we can plan. In last video, we have mentioned that if Bank Nifty is going below this level, then we might see sharp selling, and it was trying to hold this level for a long time, and finally it broke this level and started falling. Bank Nifty formed a kind of W pattern, and if in case we open three scenarios, if we open flat and go above this level, which is 38,050, 60, above that, if we close in 15 minutes candle, then we might see some 200 to 300 points rally, and we might see some resistance around 38,300 to 400 level. We might see some selling pressure again. It's a good resistance, and from here again we might resume the trend again on the downside, and we might see some consolidation. And if we open gap up, then we might see some pullback and retesting this previous day's close, and then it might continue moving higher side, and we might see the resistance in the same level, 38,300 to 400, and then we might see the trend continues on the sell side. And here 37,700 to 37,600, this is a good support zone, and we might take a pause in this zone, because we see continuously Bank Nifty falling, and we might see some pause from here. We might consolidate before the next trend. And if we open directly a big gap down around this zone, then we need to wait for a few candles. If we are retesting this level and then resuming the trend, and if in case we go below this level around 37,600, 500, then we might see selling pressure again on the downside. In Nifty also similar analysis. If we open flat and move above this 17,200 to 20 range, then we might see, but we have a lot of resistance zone. So we might see 17,300, 350 as one good resistance, and then we might see a pullback continues on the downside. And this is on the flat opening. If we open gap up, again we need to see if it is retesting to the previous close and then moving higher, and then it might continue on the downside. And if we see a big gap down, we might take some support here, and we might see retest. If in case we go below this level 17,050 or 17,000, then we might see another 100 points to 16,900. But we see multiple supports in this zone, 17,000 to 17,000, 16,900. We have multiple supports, so we might see a good pullback from this level, from any of these levels. So overall, Nifty and Bank Nifty, we saw huge sell-off, and it might continue for another few days. It's a sell-on rise market, and definitely it will take some pause in this in these levels. For a couple of sessions, it will take a pause, and we might consolidate before any upside or downside movement. This is just my view. Please do your own analysis and take the trade accordingly. If you like the content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel as well for live market updates. Thank you for watching.